Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and in today's RVing for Beginners video, I am sharing everything you need to know about your RV freshwater tank. Let's start with when to use the freshwater tank. When you are connected to a campground water hookup, you do not need to use the freshwater tank. Instead, the water is drawn straight from the water spigot into your RV. However, when you are dry camping without hookups, you need to fill the freshwater tank with potable water to use when camping. Many RVers also fill the freshwater tank partially on travel days so there is water to use the bathroom. So, how do you fill your freshwater tank? It's pretty easy. Simply connect a garden hose to any potable water source and then connect the other end of the hose to your freshwater fill. If you have a panel like this, the freshwater fill is the same as your city water connection. You just turn the knobs to the fill setting. Or you may have a separate freshwater fill like this one on the side of your RV. We recommend using a water flow meter so you know exactly how much water you are putting into your tank. Most RVs have a freshwater overflow, so you won't flood your RV if you overfill the tank. Consult your owner's manual to locate your overflow valve and keep an eye on it when filling the tank. When traveling with a full freshwater tank, it is important to consider the added weight. A gallon of water weighs 8.34 pounds, so a full 30-gallon freshwater tank adds 250 pounds of weight to your RV. If you are already close to your tow capacity, this can be significant. If you need to fill your freshwater tank near your campsite, you can use iOverlander. The website provides detailed information on water fill stations for RVers. In order to actually use the water in your freshwater tank, your RV's water pump must be on. Your RV will have a switch to turn the water pump on and off. When the water pump is off, no water will come out of your faucets. When the pump is on, it will draw water from the tank to the faucets. I recommend turning the water pump off when you are not actively using water so you can't accidentally turn on a faucet and use up all your water. Remember, you only use the pump when you're using the fresh water tank, not when you're connected to a campground water source. When using the fresh water tank, water is drawn from the tank to your faucet and then drains into the gray water tank, which must be emptied at an RV dump station. However, if you are heading home and want to drain the fresh water tank, most RVs have a drain on the underside of the RV that allows you to empty the freshwater tank directly onto the ground. Just pull the valve and empty the water. Additionally, there are low point drains that must be opened and drained when winterizing to make sure all the lines are clear of water. It is also important to sanitize your freshwater tank after periods of long storage or if the tank is contaminated with non-potable water. We have a previous video detailing how to sanitize your freshwater tank. Thanks for watching and happy camping.